Hello friends, this is Yasir Munir and in this video I am going to show you how to use activity indicator in React Native. So let's start. You can use activity indicator with the help of protected rules. So let's implement this with an example. Simply I import here activity indicator, that is indicator. This is the simple code I write here. Simply I show React Native in my mobile screen. I write here a constructor, and inside this constructor use super props that came from and inside this constructor create here a state is dot state and curly braces. That's it. I write here login is true. This is nothing, just I write here a login variable. Okay, go save and let's come to the main screen and I initialize here protected routes. And what is basically protected routes? Everything we write in JSX in curly braces, that is protected routes that work like an if else statement. Simply curly braces, and inside this curly braces I write here this dot state dot login is equal to true, then call activity indicator, and inside this activity indicator, what is the size of our activity indicator? Size is large and color is gonna be black. Okay, and if this condition fails, simply type here null. Right here question mark. And if this condition fails, let's write here another condition, and that is this dot state or login is not equal to true, then no activity of form. And if this condition also fails, then no. That's it. Control save, and you can see our loading is working because the login is true. If I write here false, control save, no activity of form. And if I write here something else, just like control save, this is shown because we write a condition that is if not equal to true. Just write here false and write here sign. Control save, and you can see now this condition works. If I write here false, then this condition works. So this is basically our activity indicator. We use mostly activity indicator with the help of protected rules. Thank you for today's video.